What's up, everybody? Got a fun little video for y'all today. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this box of mystery reeds I found in a saxophone case at work. I take pictures of vintage saxophones, and sometimes I find really weird stuff in the cases. And this is a box of Rico reeds. I'll show you, but I don't think it's going to be in focus. Got a bunch of random stuff in here. Rico, Vandoren, varying strengths and sizes. This is on the back here. Whatever store this was sold at was selling them for 45 cents each. So I don't know what year these are from, but that's a little bit telling. Back in the day, they were not very precisely made. Well, they were pretty precisely made, but not to the same standards as today. Also, as you can see, there's no little reed sleeves that they come in. It's just a box of reeds just shoved in there. 25 Rico reeds. Created by professionals to professional superiority. Strength 3.5, style V. I don't know what style V means, but I guess we're gonna find out. So my setup that I'm playing on is a 1938 Buescher Aristocrat original lacquer, and my mouthpiece is a 1939 or maybe early 1940 Arnold Brilhart hard rubber that's been refaced by Eric Greifenhagen over in Germany. Here is a Vandoren reed that has no number on it. It's definitely used. It's definitely a little bit bent, and it's definitely a little bit discolored, but wasn't no coronavirus in the 1970s, so. Oh, this is gonna be rough, I can already tell. It has no marking on it, so I don't really know what strength it's supposed to be, but I feel like it's maybe a 2. So it looks like it's a Vandoren blue box because it had just a Vandoren logo on it, and it is filed. It's definitely used, and it's definitely dead reed. Oh wow, but it speaks really nice up in the high register. Nice. Up next, we've got this pretty, slightly moldy Rico 3.5 Rico orange box. I don't think that's mold. It's just kind of brown. Whatever. It is definitely also used. I kind of just wanted to see what an average Joe in the 1970s or whatever, whenever these reeds are from, had in their case. It was actually in the case of a really beat up Conn 10M in the original case. Yeah, the horn is pretty much black. Actually, this is pretty killing. I can't even lie, I would play on this reed. It's a little bit hard for me. It's kind of surprising because it's a 3.5, and I normally play on Rigati 3.5 lights. And this is a Rico orange box, so it might be a little bit softer than that. But honestly, I kind of like it. It's real big and punchy. out of it, but it's pretty good nonetheless. Let's see how it plays up high. Really good. Can't complain. I'm definitely gonna keep this readout for later. Although I don't know if you can see, it was pretty disgusting looking. Oh well. All right. Up next we got I.O.A. brand. One thing I noticed about this reed is that it's a little bit narrow. Like it doesn't fill up the table left to right, and it might not be cut very evenly. That's not bad. It's a little bit hard also, but I mean, kind of brittle sounding for my taste a little bit. Super unstable. I don't think this is a very good reed, to be honest. This reed is just not great. It doesn't really even feel worn either. It looked pretty new. It makes me think this reed just sucks. I don't know what this reed was made to sound like, but I don't like it. Lavaz, medium soft. Alright. Woo! This one's chipped right down the top. And this one is definitely used. I hope you didn't have any viruses. I don't know how viruses work, but I think they die after a while, right? I don't think a reed is a very good host, but we'll see. We'll see if I get sick. If I get sick and go to the hospital, I'll make a little vlog from the hospital. It's definitely soft. I'm going to try it on a different mouthpiece actually. Alright, so I have here a modern Auto-Link Super Tone Master. Off the shelf. Actually not off the shelf. I got it work done. I bought it as a 6-star. Got it opened up to an 8-star by Jimmy Jensen over at Tenor Madness. Never really liked this mouthpiece in the first place, and I don't really like it now either, but I think this is gonna be a little bit more of a classic setup right here. Lavaz medium with a metal Auto-Link. Yeah. I'm not gonna keep playing this reed. I found a Vandoren reed in here, an Alto reed actually. So, this is another reed that is not marked. It is split down the middle, very slightly. Actually also chipped slightly over the tip, but who cares, man. I'm playing here, it's dusty as hell. I'm playing here on a 1932 Conn 6M and a Ted Klum, what model is this? GS Special, and a get a sax Echo Master ligature based on the old school Brilhart ligatures. This reed it's alright. It's a little soft. I feel like it's used a little bit. I think it's about the right strength. Honestly, it just doesn't sound particularly good. It's kind of missing a lot of the edge, and I feel like when I try to get to the edge, it's a bit squeaky. Sounds kind of like a duck almost. It's not what I want out of a reed. Feels like a Vandoren blue box, maybe a 3 strength or a 2.5. Alright, now I'm going to play this tenor reed again. This is a Rico 2.5. That's all it says. It's also used. If I die, I'm suffering for science, musical science, saxophone gearhead science. It tastes terrible. Dude, that's not what I want to be tasting in my mouth. The 2.5 actually, which I would think it would be a lot brighter, but it really feels just as hard as the 3.5 Rico. Wow, what am I doing? Brain fart reset. Okay, it's all right. I would play this if I had to. Yeah, actually, I kind of like it. It's growing on me a lot. All right, up next we got another I.O.A. Paris, France, number 3 this time. That's just terrible. Dang, dude, this is a 3, and the previous one was a 3.5. This is a lot harder than that 3.5 was. Let's just put it back on for a second to compare. This 3.5 is way too soft, and this 3 is just way too hard. Doesn't make any sense, dude. This I.O.A. company is some complete ass. I.O.A. International Order of Ass. Lastly, but not leastly, I have this Rico reed 1.5. It's nice and buzzy, which I like. It's got it's pretty full in the whole range. It's just too soft, so it's kind of missing the core that I want. But seeing how some of those other reeds played, this is one of the better playing reeds out of all of those. Never mind, dude, this reed is dying at an alarming rate. The winner of this box of reeds is definitely the super disgusting moldy Rico Orange Box 3.5 V. This reed isn't the greatest. Definitely does not sound nearly as good as my Rigotti 3.5 Lights. Was just to compare, I'm going to play a little bit on again. It's a little bit red because Don't tell my professor, but I was eating hot Cheetos before I played. Actually, right before making this video, I was eating hot Cheetos and I did not wash my mouth. Actually, I think that Rico, it plays a little bit better than this. So this box looks like this. Here are the reeds inside. Here on the back it says 45 cents each. Here is the winner reed.
What is that?
This is the one I like the most, and it is definitely really nasty and maybe shouldn't be played on. Anyway, that's the video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. If you have any suggestions for future videos or videos you want me to see me make, then leave them in the comments. Other than that, my name is Liam. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.